Hey everyone, good evening. Today I'm gonna show you a cool application I made using the receipt parser API that I also created. So let's get into it. Hey everyone. Okay, so here's the application. It's the receipt to spreadsheet application. And when you arrive to the app, the first window you'll see is this API configuration window. And it has two input fields. You will input your API key, and you also input the API endpoint URL. It's this one here, and I'll go ahead and put it in the description of the YouTube video. https ilovesreceipt.com/api/parse. Okay, so I'll give this part to you. Now for the API key, in order to receive it, you'll go to this site here, ilovesreceipt. This is where I have my API, and you'll scroll down to the bottom here where you have the different tiers. Just go ahead and do the free tier, and when you click on it, you'll receive the API key in your email. Once you have that, then you go ahead and paste it in here, and then just click Save Settings. Okay, so I had done some previous tests, but let me go ahead and show it again. So I'm going to go ahead and just drag these PDFs. I think some people didn't realize that my receipt parser API not only handles images of receipts and invoices, but it also handles PDFs. So let's go ahead and drag this receipt here. It's a PDF, and now it's scanning. I've sent the receipt to the API, and now it's starting to extract the information, and there it is. Okay, so you can see the different fields here: date, vendor, subtotal, tax total. Okay, so you can see it's broken up and it's organized. Let's go ahead and do another one. All right, this one here, it's an invoice, and it's doing the same thing. So we'll give it a couple of seconds, and it will parse the information from the invoice and organize it into this table here. Okay, so here we have it, and it adds up the total as well. So you can see that here. Now, let's say those are the only two things that I want to input, and I want to export a CSV file. So I can do that by just clicking here, export CSV, and you can see here that you have your CSV file with all the information from that table. Let's say you want to actually get all the information from this table here and copy it into Google Sheets. Well, you can just click on this window. Click on this button here, and then go ahead to Google Sheets and just paste it, and it does the same thing. Okay, so I just wanted to demonstrate how powerful this receipt parser API can be and how useful it is if you're going to make certain applications that handle financial tracking and reports. Okay, so you can go ahead and access this application on, I've hosted it on I've hosted it on Netlify. So you can go ahead, I'll go ahead and include it in the description below. I'll show you the link so you can have access to that, and I'll even show the GitHub repo where you can find the code if you want to make any customizations. Okay, so that's all. I hope you found this useful, and I hope you found it interesting. And yeah, there's a lot of cool things you can do with this receipt parser API, so I suggest that you go ahead and give it a shot, and there's a lot of creative things, creative possibilities. So have a great evening and take care. I send you good vibes. Bye.